Back to my channel. Today's video is a requested one from two of my subscribers. One want me to repeat the Edo interlocking, which is called Ugbalaka in Edo, and some want to know also how to do the Edo dress or the hand gloves. Instead of just showing you the interlocking, I decided to use it to do an hand glove, which you see here in my hand. Etienikbia, etienihu, waya bokya, waweseo, viedo we, iranweyeke, egaka. So wanive subscribe to me, wawese kakabo, wanime subscribe, wa try, no waweo, waya wese. The hand glove, you use elastic to do the band, which is the interlocking. So I have done that interlocking in a video before, but not with elastic. This hairband, this is also what you find out in the mannequin. I'm going to show you a simple method to making this, and if you can master it, then you will be able to do this as well, because we use the same method to make this. While that video play, I will be doing the elastic. Then I will use the elastic, not just the one I use with normal thread, which I've already uploaded the video before, to continue the Ugbalaka. So just watch the video and you will understand it. So if you have any question, please leave it on the comment section. I will reply you, or if there's any other thing you want me to show you in details, just write it, and if I can, I will upload a video of that. So thank you very much, and let's get into making this hand glove. Now we fill the thread up with the beads. Let's move to the next step. The next step is that we are going to pick 4 beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to pick these 4 beads, and then we are going to pass through the last bead, the needle. We pull it out and we get this form. Can you see that? So the next step is that we pick 2 beads. These 2 beads. It's magic, magic, magic. And you see what will happen? We have 2. Three beads placed on the thread, so we push it, and then with your needle you go through the over bead here. See that? The over bead, and then you pull your needle and you have this form. You have to make it tight. Voila, this is the 3-step I make. You can make as many steps you want to make. You can even make a shawl with it, as I mentioned previously when we started the video. If you put it in your hand, you have it like this. So now I will count my bead. 1 2 3 4 5. So I'm going to leave this place and I will start to do the stepping from this bead here. So what I do, I come with my thread forward through all the beads, or I can cut it, use another thread to do it. Two over bead and one, so I will pass it through. Knot. The bead, then I make a knot. This is practically how I continue. So the next step, I will be using 2 over bead, 1 rounded bead, make sure you drag your work so that it will be tight. This is how we continue. Now to climb up again, we have to pass our needle to come out on top here. So my needle will come through and come out on top. My needle is up now, so I will still continue. Let's try it on the hand. Okay, so we still have one more step to go here. I'm going to start from here now to come here, and now I will be using elastic again. Before, from here was elastic and here was the normal thread, and the last one is going to be elastic. If you like, you can as well do for the rest like that, but today I'm going to put only on one hand. So this is what we will do. So I will cut out this thread. I'm going to come from here to this place. So, but first, it's magic. So now I have it like that. So now I have to close here with my elastic. It's magic. I'm going to secure it. Here my work is done.